Let's learn colors. Red color, red color. Blue color, blue color. Green color, green color. Pink color, pink color. Yellow color, yellow color. Brown color, brown color. Purple color, purple color. Orange color, orange color. Black color, black color. White color, white color. Let's identify the colors. Are you ready? What is the color of this toy? Good! It is pink color. Pink. What is the color of this frog? Very good. It is purple color. Purple. What is the color of the cheese? Nice. It is yellow color. Yellow color. What is the color of this turtle? Hey, you got it. It is green color. Green. What is the color of these boots? Good. It is brown color. Brown. What is the color of this jellyfish? Very good. It is blue color. Blue. What is the color of this cat? Nice. It is orange color. Orange. What is the color of these sheep? Yes, it is white color. White. What is the color of this cap? Good. It is red color. Red. What is the color of this spider? Very good. It is black color. Black. Hey children, you have done a good job. You have identified all the colors.
Yay!
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe Kid Stuffs.